If you are getting an ESPN connection error on Roku, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. When there is an ESPN connection error on Roku, first check if your internet connection is stable. You should have a stable internet connection for an uninterrupted streaming service on Roku. To check the internet speed, you can visit speedtest.net. You can also restart your router or modem to bypass any connectivity issues. So, unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem. Method 2. Restart the Roku system. A fresh restart can often fix minor bugs and glitches. So, restart your Roku device. To do that, go to Roku settings, then select System. Then Power. Select System Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. Method 3. Check with other devices. Check if other devices can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Test your internet connection using a phone, computer, or tablet that is connected to the same network. If your other devices is not working, reach out to your ISP for further help. You can also check with other channels. If you are having no issues watching other channels on Roku, then you can check the channel's server status. Method 4. Check ESPN's server status. The next thing you can do is check ESPN's server status and see if there is any server outage. Sometimes the channel can be under maintenance, and for this, you can have issues like this. If there is any server outage report, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 5. Check for updates. The next thing you can do is update the ESPN channel. Here is how you can update any channel on a Roku device. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel you want to update. Here we are taking up the channel, for example. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then, wait for the app to update. And finally, press OK. Method 6. Check for system update. The next thing you can do is update your Roku software. An outdated system version can be responsible for triggering such issues. To update the Roku, head to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait for the process to complete. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 7. Clear your cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times, then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 8. Disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off to see if it resolves the issue. VPNs can interfere with some channels and streaming services and create this kinds of issues. Method 9. Delete and reinstall the channel. The next thing you can do is uninstall and then reinstall the ESPN channel. Here are the steps to reinstall a channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Here, we are selecting this channel for example. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now, go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the devices to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you shouldn't get the error. And there you have it, the way to fix the issue when you are getting an ESPN connection error on Roku. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.